Are you an international medical graduate aiming to practice in the USA? Securing an observership is a crucial step, and we're here to guide you through it. Let's unlock the process of finding an observership in the USA. Observerships are more than just shadowing. They're your gateway to understanding the U.S. healthcare system, networking with professionals, and strengthening your residency application. Remember, a successful observership can be a game changer for your career. Start by polishing your CV, crafting a compelling personal statement, and gathering strong letters of recommendation. Don't forget to include your USMLE scores and ensure your passport and visa are ready for travel. Dig into university hospitals, teaching hospitals, and resources from the American Medical Association and Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates. Websites like Clinical Rotation and Med Clerkships are also treasure troves for observership listings. Utilize alumni networks, join professional associations, and harness the power of social media platforms like LinkedIn. Even cold emails can lead to unexpected opportunities. Make them count. Follow application instructions to the letter, tailor your personal statement for each program, and apply early. Keep a close eye on your applications and follow up when necessary. Once accepted, research your institution thoroughly, brush up on medical knowledge, and understand the cultural nuances of practicing medicine in the USA. Sort out your accommodation and transportation well in advance. And that's your roadmap to finding an observership in the USA. For more tips and guidance on your medical journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your questions below, and best of luck with your observership search.